EMS is dispatch.
7 out of 15, I'll take this.
Copy 7 out of 15, 2310. Need a unit to respond to a scene for malicious mischief at a residential address, unknown subject, damaged personal property. Received code 4, proceed back to your AOP, thank you. CAD info 1923.
Hey girl!
Order, shot fire, officer down, shot fire, officer down. Got a city officer down, shot fire. Shot fire on your line. Come on.
Thank you.
All units operate back to your Main Street area, officer dealing with multiple individuals. Required immediate response to near advised actions needed. Arriving. Near Mission Road. Copy, showing you code 4, 1309. Received. Expect a unit to arrive shortly to help with that traffic. Near Mission Row. Medic 321. Response for a trauma patient. Patient is non-responsive.
Get over there!
Copy, show medic 321 en route, roger the patient status.
Copy. Call skinny 2100. Copy, I'll route you a
Work
unit.
with me, damn it!
On Center Street, near Mission Row. Medic 7, respond for a medical event. Approach from the east side if possible.
Copy, show medic 7 en route, approaching east side.
Copy, Medic 7, 1655. Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Center Street, near Mission Row.
Please, 1007.
10-4-15, copy, nothing showing.
Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Center Street, near Mission Row. 2329.
It's not our fault.
Medic 703, respond for trauma. Cleo informed scene is secure.
Copy, show medic 703 en route.
Copy, Medic 703, 1910. Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Center Street, near Mission Row.
Se acabó. We can't lose another. Ah, could be worse. Come on, people, let's do it.
We did everything by the book. There it is.
Shoot.
244, can I get you to head over to 1107 Forum Drive for noise disturbance?
Copy, Spock Dispatch, please note in CAD that I have been over twice now for mental falling off from there, not getting warning.
Another DOA.
10-4, reference CAD 1889, call time 2216.
Copy.
Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Center Street, near Mission Row.
They didn't make it. See ya.
Dispatch, Lincoln 1-8. Everything is code 4 at the report. Disturbance at 100 Phase B Avenue. BD, just allowed music. Result.
Lincoln 1-8, copy code 4 at Bay City Avenue. Good here.
10-4 dispatch. LSPD 10-8, please.
Copy Lincoln 1-8, 2305. Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Center Street, near Mission Row. Thanks, City 1. Responder 1435 Fudge Lane, Strawberry. Report to the verbal domestic. Female party in distress.
Max 81 copy, verbal domestic, en route to Fudge Lane.
Copy, Max 81, 2310.
Good Lord.
Copy, I'll route you a flatbed, ETA about 15 minutes. Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Center Street, near Mission Row.
Hey.
You may have a report of a suspicious male, possibly a vagrant, loitering near the pier entrance at Del Perro Beach, wearing a faded yellow jacket.
Cover 316 received. Says heading to Del Perro Beach.
Copy, route to 316, 2318.
God damn it! You see that? I got you, buddy.
Code 4, I'll clear you from the call. Have you back to me. Reports coming in of disturbing the peace. An unspecified situation is creating a public nuisance. Additional reports are being received. Stand by. 1830. Near the B.J. Smith Rec Center on Forum Drive in Chamberlain Hills. Copy that at 612. Stan 44. Copy, and I'll update Cat with your status. Thank you.
Hey, I need to grab some of them Eris classics.
No, I fucking agree. That's tight.
Frank 52, I've got him here.
Copy 52.
You're under arrest, dumbass!
Copy showing you code 4, 1309. Victor 1, respond to 303 Tower Street, Little Seoul for a reported shoplifting in progress.
Yeah, I'd over that one now.
Copy Victor 10522.
Dispatch will need speedy towing at 444 Crystal Heights Drive, Richmond,
Thank
for
you.
disabled vehicle blocking traffic.
10 for 1 over 15, speedy towing requested for that location, 1415.
Yo, bitch, you turfed up? Thank you.
David to Zulu 77 direct.
20 David, go.
I'm going to grab a coffee. You need anything?
No, I'm good.
Slang. I'll bang, you heard? No, that's sick.
Copy, I'll route you a unit on Form
I
Drive
say we go in
in Chamberlain Hills.
Take down all them ballin' chumps.
Copy, I'll route you a unit on Form Drive in Chamberlain Hills. Myrtle Rig 5306, investigate a noise complaint at 101 Mirror Park Boulevard, Mirror Park.
Copy that, dispatch, checking it out.
Copy, Myrtle Rig 5306, 0837.
Holy shit! Hi!
You piece of scum.
Control copies, code 4 and clear. Unit to respond for domestic violence incident. Neighbor hearing screaming from next door. Unknown weapons requiring immediate response. Advise if backup is needed. 1119 near the Beacon Theater on Roy Lowenstein Boulevard in Rancho. Sam 44. 3C's Alpha 2 on scene and
Frank
CAD.
52, I've got him here.
Copy 52.
Oh, you typical American idiot!
Show some fucking respect. On the floor, punk! Dumbass! Damn!
Dispatch copies. All units on the unit from your Main Street area. Officer dealing with multiple individuals. Require immediate response. Please respond and advise if backup copy. I'll get him 2140 on Roy Lowenstein Boulevard in Rancho. Panic 55, respond for an incident. Expect law enforcement on arrival.
Copy, LEO on scene. Show us en route.
Copy, Medic 55 and 1108. Copy, I'll route you a unit on Roy Lowenstein Boulevard.
Damn!
In
Let's do what
Rancho.
we can do.
Hey there. You leave him to me.
Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Roy Lowenstein Boulevard. In Rancho.
Hey there. Screw you. You gotta be shitting me.
That's fuck.
Received code 4. Proceed back to your AOP. Thank you. All units be advised. We received a report from a 911 caller of a possible robbery in progress off of Main Street at the local store. Caller states that they can see a subject from their car window brandishing a, quote, locked handgun. Respond with caution and advise on backup. 1524. Around the Strawberry 24/7 Market. Respond code 3.
Of 8080, I got him here.
Copy.
Hands in the air, now! Hold up!
521.
I have better things to
521,
do!
go.
Report coming in on a possible hit
Motherfucker!
and run on a main thoroughfare. The vehicle sustained damage and the other fled the scene. If I can get you to head over and advise on situation 1413. If I burn van is still in effect, if I can get you to head over and advise on situation 1413.
Struggling pain, struggling pain.
Copy, attach
Evil
me, show me
saints
in
in my
round.
brain. Word. City of saints in struggle, lost scandals, Santa in trouble. Hell yeah!
Copy, I'll route you a unit at the Vanilla Unicorn Strip Club on Innocence Boulevard. In the Strawberry area.
We definitely
Copy,
hanging
Inspector
later.
Pescuzno in
That's
Cabot.
all
I
right.
have been over twice now. Port from info flowing off from there, not getting warning this time.
10-4, reference Caddy 289, call time 2216.
You just be hoeing for that devil.
Lincoln 18, copy code 4 at Bay City Avenue. Good here.
10-4 dispatch. LSPD 10-8, please.
Copy Lincoln 18, 2305.
I can't wait to kick back with that cardiac. Hello.
I hear that.
Thanks, 81. Respond to 1435 Fudge Lane, Strawberry. Report to the verbal domestic. Attention, any local unit in the area. We have an aggressive customer threatening employees and other customers observed at a local clothing store. Subject is refusing to leave. Please respond and advise if backup is needed. 1706 on Innocence Boulevard in the Strawberry area.
Damn! Not
10-4, Sam, 44. Copy, I'll update your CAD to show you on scene. There you go, thank you.
Got his ass right here.
Screw you! Hands in the air, now! Keep it up! On the floor, punk! Fun's over, buddy! Hold up!
Engine 12, 1098. 10-4.
Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Strawberry Avenue, in the Strawberry area. Receive, I'll get you a unit. On Innocence Boulevard, in the Strawberry area.
Wow, this is a tough one.
I need a
Right.
drink.
I should move to Vice City.
I'll cover you.
This society is doomed.
Copy, I'll route you a unit. On Innocence
What an
Boulevard,
asshole.
in the Strawberry area.
Hey, I'm homeless.
Thanks. Thank you.
3.